Chloe, so Mommy's about to start vacuuming, and you have to behave. You can't be barking at the vacuum and trying to eat the vacuum. No, 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 no. Okay? You're a good girl, just don't do that.
I think we're gonna have to put her outside for this one.
Yep.
Okay, let's go outside.
Okay.
Okay, so Chloe hates the vacuum cleaner. This is so hilarious on how Chloe acts. All right, watch. Go ahead, babe. Chloe's a beast.
If I let her in, she attacks the bottom of her. Yeah. She tries to bite it.
So hold it right there.
Stop, Chloe. Chloe, stop.
Okay, now I think we can let Chloe in. Oh, there's the cat. What is the cat doing? Still outside, running around. Uh-oh, it's looking at Chloe. What's gonna happen?
Yeah.
Good, nothing. All right, I guess we're gonna let the dog back in the house. The cat's gonna stay outside.